in our Good and the Beautiful order, and this is the curriculum that I'm going to be using next year. So let me go through everything with you guys. So starting off strong, we have the Math 2 box. Now this box does have a little clock on the front. This is discontinued. They have gone down to a smaller box. The clock is on the inside, and apparently the pieces are smaller. This one has some little dollar bills, some change. I'm gonna have to look and see, oh, little like airplane pieces, little metal pieces. I don't know what's in the new boxes because they are still selling these until they sell out, but these are now final sale. There we go, so I have Math 2. Going along with the Math 2 box is the Math 2 book. Now my 6-year-old just started Math 1 and she is blowing through that book. She is doing so well at math, so I went ahead and ordered the Math 2. I did get these when they were on sale, so I just stocked up now. I love these books. They're so great, so beautiful, and my girls love math. I have Math 1 for my 5-year-old because she is almost done with Math K already. Again, she loves math, so I went ahead and got the Math 1 for her. And I already have the Math 1 box from my oldest daughter, so we don't need to do anything there. Moving along to language arts, I have the Reading Boosters B books and the booster cards. Now I did do the free digital download of the language arts and literature level 1 because this is what she's in right now, the K, and I guess she sees the thickness of this book and gets intimidated and just doesn't want to do it. She knows everything in here, so what I've been doing is I've been tearing each page out as we go along, and she seems to do really, really well with that. So I just went ahead and did the free download for when she's done with this. She'll just print out a couple lessons at a time and do that because that works for her. That's the great thing about homeschooling is you find what works for your kids. Then we have handwriting level K for my little one. We have level 1 for both of them because they're kind of at the same level here. So they'll both be in this one probably in the next month or so. And then for my oldest, I also got level 2. I really like these. I like that, I mean, I like these. They're not just handwriting copy and paste stuff. I like how it's smaller. There's stuff to color in. I'm really impressed with this. They love, look at that, like the numbers that connect the dots. I'm really impressed with their handwriting. And then I got the kindergarten prep. So when my youngest is done with the pre-K, we can go right into kindergarten prep. She hasn't even started pre-K yet. She's just not there, and I'm not going to force that on her. She just turned 5. And I'm of the belief that you don't need to sit down and do schoolwork, like work like this in a book until, you know, at least 6. So she's actually learning a lot through osmosis, like we call it, because she's just there and present for it, kind of like a one-room schoolhouse. When she does start, she'll do the pre-K, and then we have the kindergarten prep. And by the time she goes through both of those, we'll have their sale again next spring, and I'll just order the next book for her. But that is my haul from The Good and the Beautiful, and I am just excited to have these on deck, ready to go.